That was Bemsha Swing by Thelonious Monk. Next up, we'll play through it again, but this time we'll have a count in and we'll have some different visuals on the screen. Tablature, standard notation, and the Guitar Pro neck diagram. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and check out our description box for additional resources. Okay, let's get started. Now that we've played through it again, let's work on the melody step by step, and after that, we'll talk about the basic chord changes and some voicings. Okay, so here I'm playing in position 5, so we're playing G, string 4, and then over to C on string 3. And then we're going to kind of almost start with those same notes, but this time we're flipping those over to the ends of the beats. And then we're going to play additional notes. So we have B flat, A flat, G. Then I'm moving down to position 3, position 2, and then position 2 again, but string 5 and fret 3. Okay, and then that simply gets repeated for the next 4 measures. So again, we play that statement happens again. The chords change a little bit under it. Let's go up to the next 4 measures. So it changes up here a little bit. Going to the 4 chord here. So all right, so we play those on their own, and then, so really the same kind of contour. But we're working on the guitar with a slightly different shape because of the standard tuning in the intervals between strings 3 and 2, so we have to compensate a little bit. Okay, and then we go back to our original. Okay, and then again, same as before. Okay, so the melody is pretty simple there, pretty straightforward. Now that we've covered the melody, let's talk a little bit about the chord changes here. Okay, so let's have a C major 7 to A minor 7, A flat major 7 to D flat 7. Let's alter this slightly. Give it a sharp 11 there on string 4, fret 5. And then C major 7 again. Then we're going to go up to E flat 7, D flat 7, and then or D7 to the D flat 7, D flat 7. Let's play that sharp 11 again so we don't have any conflicts with the melody. All right, and then we're going to play again C major 7, A minor 7, A flat major 7, and then the D flat 7, the sharp 11. C major 7, B flat 7, okay, and then A flat 7, and then let's go with that same D flat 7 here with the sharp 11. Okay, then we're going to go to F major 7. We're going to do a very similar thing here. F major 7, D minor 7, D flat 7, G flat 7, sharp 11. F major 7, A flat 7 to G7, and then that same D flat 7, sharp 11 again. Then we're going over to that C major 7, A minor 7, A flat major 7, and D flat 7, sharp 11, and then the C major 7, B flat 7, A flat 7, and the G. You may find you need more help with this tune or others. Check out the description down below and sign up for a guitar consultation so we can point you in the right direction. Or go ahead and start a free trial to our member area on fretprints.com. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.